Hi, my name is Lisa Tiemeyer, and this is Module 1, Building Finance. A little bit of personal information about myself. I've been teaching 17 years now. 11 of those have been in special education, and 6 have been in general education. I will be starting a new job this coming school year as a special education instructional coach. My husband is also a teacher, and we have 2 children. I have a son that will be 15 and a daughter that will be 11. Some educational background. I have my Bachelor's of Science in Elementary Education with an emphasis in special education from Emporia State. I have my Master's in English as a second language from K-State, and then I'm currently getting my endorsement in building leadership from Fort Hays State. Why am I seeking this endorsement? My ultimate goal is to become a special education coordinator or an assistant principal. How does my background support my degree selection? I've been teaching for 17 years, 11 of those in special education, and with that I have been in charge of paras, support staff, related services, so I've had a lot of supervision duties, along with I participated in many building leadership committees, and then my new job as a special education instructional coach. I will be working in many of the school districts here, or many of the elementary schools here, helping special education teachers. My strengths and weaknesses with regards to school finance. Some strengths: I've job shadowed our principal, and we've discussed the budget. He showed me all the different funds and who could take out of what. I have an interest in school finance. However, a weakness would be a limited work with school finance because job shadowing my principal for a couple days and discussing it is a lot different than being in charge of your own budget for a school and making sure all the funds are going to the right places. So I definitely have a weakness there, and I'd like to learn more about that. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to learning with you in this course.